He's the video key.
Good night.
Good night. Try to get some sleep.
Come on in.
All right.
Slow.
Oh, I haven't walked upstairs in a few days. That feels funny. You want to see your room? This is your room. Do you like it in here? Is it nice? Okay, watch your eyes. Oh, this is your room. We're gonna put lots of pink things in here. This is it. This is where you're gonna live. I know. You wanna get on a sleeper? Let's get on a sleeper. Okay. Let's see if we have anything in your size. You're really little. Yes, you are. Let's try that sleep sack. Oh, sweet baby girl. This is your room. This is where you're going to live for a little bit. Then you have to move to a big girl bag, a big girl room. I know. We have to get the pink changing pad on here. We just didn't know. Let's get this silly sundress off you. You don't need to be wearing that. You stretching? Yeah. You stretching in your new room? Yes, you are. Alright, I gotta unsnap you. Okay.
Hi.
Say hi, Daddy. This is my room. Okay, let's see if we need to do a diaper change while we're here. You want to check? Let's look. Looks good to me. Still all clean. This looks huge. This looks huge. I don't know. Let's see if we got something smaller.
We might just need the Olathe Med shirt.
Yeah.
That's pretty small.
These little onesies.
Oh no, that's pretty
still
big.
pretty big. You're just little. I know. Oh. You have to keep a hand on her.
Oh, she's spitting up.
Oh. Okay.
And where are her wipes?
Okay, everything is right here. So diapers in the first drawer, wipes in the second.
And all those diapers are her size for right
They're
now?
newborn, yeah.
Okay,
And the
perfect.
wipes are ready to go.
Good.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, not again.